Hi and welcome to 2E2 TV. Today we're going to be talking through 2E2's expertise in the area of data center automation, where they provide a range of services and solutions to automate the discovery, provision and management of IT infrastructure and services. To talk through all this and more, Dean Hogan joins me, and Dean is lead consultant at 2E2 and he's worked with many different customers in the data center automation area. Dean, hi, welcome.
Good morning, Mark.
Tell me first of all what data center automation is for those who are watching who perhaps a little unsure.
Well, to many it's been about run-book automation, scheduling of events that need to be a part of a daily routine for operations. More recently it's been used or referred to in managing events through monitoring of alerts and management of the infrastructure. But nowadays it's those and more. It's about taking a service management process and policy-driven configuration, standard architectures, and managing the life cycle of assets in the data center.
Is there a compelling event at the moment which you're seeing increased interest in this area?
Well, right now IT managers face pressures for four or more fronts. At the heart of that is the business itself. Trying to differentiate itself in the marketplace, it's using innovation and speed and demanding the response and agility from the IT department in order to stand up services quickly, and we're talking hours.
Like cloud-based type services?
Exactly, yes, and that's one of the key aspects of the cloud model.
Sure.
On another front, you have the service management team who are looking to ensure the quality of the services is maintained, avoiding downtime that penalise and trigger SLAs, and at the same time ensuring there's a performance level there that's maintained through capacity and effective demand management. On another front, you have the compliance team. Compliance managers banging on the door saying, look, I want to make sure that your estate is compliant, making sure that they know what's out there and ensure its status, compliance status is up to date. Okay, now not everybody uses this type of process within their estate. What are the implications of not using this automation? For those medium to large organisations that have private IT estates, while they're focusing on satisfying the business demand, the likelihood is that they're going to be failing on actually maintaining their estate. For those who've not approached this particular concept before, it can look quite daunting. How would you recommend people approach it initially? Well, first and foremost, get yourself an automation strategy, making sure that you have a roadmap for automation adoption, making sure you understand how it fits the business, benefits the business, and ensure that the technology adoptions are identified, whether or not you're going open source, whether or not you're looking at integrated stacks or specific vendor alignment. Okay, now talking about clients then, so give me an example of something that 2E2 has delivered to get a customer through this process. Well, an example that we often bring up is a large financial services client of ours that's responsible for 80% of the credit card transactions that go on through the world, and they found themselves up against a PCI compliance deadline. Didn't know really what sort of state their x86 estate was in. So came and spoke to us, asked us to help them get the tool up and running and actually get them compliant. And the first thing we did was go out and discover what they had in their data center. They thought they had 500 servers. The fact is that we highlighted to them they only had 300 live servers. So reduced their estate or management overhead by 40% straight away. Wow. And of those 300 that were left, we were able to take them through all of the policy configuration, the audit, remediation, and ensure that all of their servers were compliant. And as such, they met their compliance deadline. Dean, it's a pleasure meeting you today. Thanks for your time. Thank you. And there'll be more next time.